Now next page. Please underline again these guidelines. Whenever you want to highlight or emphasize a word or sentence, use either bold, italic or underline. So these are why we do this, because if we want to highlight the text or we want to give more emphasis on a word or a sentence, in that case we will use bold, italic and underline feature. Remember not to use too much of either of them in any story, essay or document that you are preparing. The following options on the toolbar can be used to change the font style. These are the features in LibreOffice, and B, I and U, these are in MS Office. In LibreOffice, if it is the more darker, that means it is bold. If A is slightly slanting, then it is italic, and if there is a line under A, that means it is the underline feature. Next is the options that can be used to change the alignment of the text. Alignment means arrangement in a straight line. As you can see here, we are having four different types of alignment. One is your left, center, right and justified. Now what is that alignment? As I told you that the arrangement of the text along a vertical line. If we have arranged the text towards left, then each and every line will start from the same point, but it may end at different points. It may be possible that our first line may be much longer than the second line, and then second line is much larger than the third line, and it may happen that fourth line may be larger than the third line. So when we are having the left alignment, that means the text is aligned or arranged towards the left side. That means every text towards the left will be started from the same point, but it may end at the various points. If we talk about the center, that means this time the text will be aligned to the center. So here the left and the right end of the line, again it may vary, but it will be arranged only in the center. Similarly, right means when the text is arranged along the right side. That means your left side, your left uh, the starting points of the line, it they end at at the same point, but their starting point may be different. When we talk about the justified arrangement, in that case, your text towards the left and towards the right, it will be arranged properly. Means every point, every sentence will start from the same point and will end at the same point. Means if the first line start from here and is ending here, that means every line will start and end at the along the same line. So this is the justified alignment or justified arrangement of the text. Now let's see practically. Now first of all, let's see where we will get this alignment option. This is your alignment options. These are your alignment options. As you can see in the pictures that here the text is arranged towards the left. As we can see here, the text is arranged towards the left. Therefore, this is the left alignment. Here we can see that the text is more larger, more arranged in the center. Therefore, it is the center arrangement or center alignment. Here the text is more arranged along the right line. along the right hand side line, therefore it is the right alignment. And in justified, as we can see that our left and right text both are equally written, therefore it is the justified alignment. So now let's see practically. For example, I remove these numbering from here. Now we are having, now let's change its font also. Take it Times New Roman. I don't need this title, so first of all select the box and then press delete button. Now you can see that I have written here for three lines. First of all, let's remove this B, I and U here. Now we have written these three lines here. So now these three sentences are by default. By default means if we will not do any alignment, then by default they will be arranged towards left. So this is our left arrangement. Now when I select the text and I selected the center alignment, then you can see the whole text get arranged in the center. Similarly, when I click on the right alignment, in that case you can see that there is the text is aligned towards the right side. And when I click on justified, because here we are having the sentences but there is no such a long sentence. When I, for example, I write the sentences in one line. This is the software where we can type the text and add pictures and shapes. Now this time you can see that here each and every line has been aligned to the left and right. So this is the justified alignment. I hope that all these things will be clear to you. So please again practice these things and we will learn some more new things in the next class. Thank you.